friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Zipi Karutu, and you remember I told you I was on my journey to Nairobi, and when I got to Nairobi I had a privilege of meeting one of my subscribers. She is Chipo's Kitchen, and I thought it wise to introduce you to her.
Hi family, I'm Chipo's Kitchen. I have a YouTube channel. You can go and check, subscribe, like and share. Yeah.
Yes, friends, she's Chipo's Kitchen. She also has a YouTube channel. Kindly, friends and all my YouTube friends, go and check on her YouTube channel and kindly subscribe to her. And in the process, she took me around and brought me in one of her friends' shop where she deals and specializes in selling of shoes, and we thought it wise to also introduce her in the same whatever. She can tell us where she's located and whatever she does.
Good morning, friends. Good morning, Kenya. My name is Shoe Point. Actually, we are dealers in shoes for women, for children, for the old age, for all ages. So actually, we are located in Ongata Rongai, Kajiado County. Penye basi una curtain, unakula ndizi, unaongeza muhogo na njugu, but you are right. Anyway, Kenya is wide, our culture is wide, and at Shoe Point we sell all kinds of shoes. As you can see behind me, we have ladies' shoes, we have dolls' shoes, we have sandals, we have rubbers, we have the children's shoes on this point, we have the sneakers. Air Max currently is actually I can say it's on the rampage. We have Air Max, all kinds of Air Max. We have the, we have the Renatos of time. We actually have the Jordans. We have all kinds and manners of shoes. So you're actually welcome when you get to Ongata Rongai, Tusky Stage, it's the place. Tusky Stage. Next to Bailey's and so many other good, sweet places, you're welcome. So we're actually hoping to see you soon, hear from you soon, and we'll be glad to meet with you and do business. Yes. That's the way Kenya goes. Thank you.
Yeah. Alright guys, you see we had a chance of meeting her, and you have seen she has introduced herself. Kindly, if you pass around, or if you are around Rongai town, or if you get a chance of passing around, you can get to her shop and try to get something. Like myself, I've gotten to get like 2 pairs of shoes, and you can see they are nice sandals. You can also find her on her Facebook page. If maybe you would like to buy from online, you can get her on her Facebook page. And where do they find you guys?
Alive at Tusky Stage, there's a mall called Penda Medical Center down there. You'll get shop A3, it's called Shoe Point. We have a banner outside there, also on Shoe Point, so you're actually welcome. Well, you can make also a call, and you can also find us on Facebook at Shoe Point. So you're welcome. Thank you.
So for even anyone who wants to buy these shoes from online, you can get her. She will get sure that you get your shoes wherever you are in Kenya. Thank you guys, and we are going to take you along this place, and everything we are going to do is make sure we take you through and show you all the processes that we'll be having around in this place. Well guys, after visiting this shop, you are now ready to move to our next destination with Chipo, who was my tour guide all along, taking me through Nairobi. And now we had to say goodbye to this lady and thank her for her invitation, and even taking her time to be with us, and move now to the next destination, that was the market that was now in this town called Ongata Rongai, that is in Nairobi. Yeah, so we left and we headed to the market, and let's take you through on what we found in this market in Nairobi compared to what the markets we had in the villages. Let me take you through, guys, so that you can get to see on what I experienced in these markets. Well, my YouTube friends, I hope you are enjoying with me on this Nairobi life of the village woman coming to visit the city and what she went through and the experience she had and all she saw, trying to compare between the town life and the village life and the markets in the village and the markets in town, trying to see the difference and what they have here that we don't have. I hope you are also enjoying with me in every bit of every second that we are going through, and also seeing this lady who is Chipo's Kitchen, who is taking me through all along, being my tour guide to let me see what they have in town that we don't have in the villages. Well, guys, I think that will be the end of this video for today, and in the next video I'll get to show you the destination that she took me after visiting the market. She will be taking me through all along, and I have the videos lined up for you, taking you step to step on what she showed me and what I saw and what I compared. I'll take you through all this all along. If you are new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing. You can give it a thumbs up after watching and kindly share my videos, and let's get together, guys. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you for your love and support. For now, I want to say to all my viewers and all my YouTube friends, I thank you, thank you, thank you. I always thank you because you have been too kind to me. You have always supported me. You have always showered your love to me. And I know there is nothing I can give back, but I can always say you thank you for being there with me, and always let's experience together on this life in Kenya, Africa, and what happens all along and what happens all around in Kenya, Africa. I love you all, my friends, all over the world. We are one. I have always told you that we are one. We have no difference. We are one. If you come from wherever you come from, always know that we love you in Kenya. And always let's get together as we enjoy everything that happens in our everyday's life, and as we explore what happens in every part of our country, guys. Much love to you all the way from Kenya, and kindly always know that Mama from the village is always here for you and always showering and ready to show you more of what happens in our capital city of Nairobi compared to what I have always shown you back from the villages, guys. I think you have also enjoyed with me, as I said, and for now it's ciao ciao.